Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how to enable on-save actions for when your users are downloading a document from your Titan web project. So let me show you this example. They have come to the page where it is time for them to download this document. They're going to click this button, and before we had these functions, a lot of people didn't think anything was happening because it kind of takes a second for the document to render and for it to download. And so we enabled a couple of options for you to enable so that your users will know that the document is processing and is downloading. I have enabled both of those in this example so you can see them in action, and I will explain both of them as it happens. So I click document download, and you can see two different things are happening. One, we have disabled the form while saving here, and the other one is this little green bar at the top. So it has a progress bar at the top to show that this was downloading. So let me show you how I enabled this. So when you have set up your document generation, you put in the button, and you'll set up the generation using tools and then document generation. Here it is. So general is where you upload the document or the file. You can give it a label, map it to a record ID if necessary, decide if you want it to be just a Word document or a PDF. And if it is a PDF, then you need to convert it with other software, and so I just use Titan 2. And then you also have to enable download. So I enabled download. I decided how I wanted it to be outputted. I chose PDF again. Of course, you can also choose Word if you'd like. And then I converted it using Titan 2. You can name what the file will be called when it is downloaded. I just named it Titan Services Agreement. You could also make it dynamic, which means that you could, have a dynamic name for it. And the only thing that you need to do this is just set up that parameter so that you can name it whatever you'd like. All right. And this is where we get into the actions while saving. We have two options. Freeze screen while generating, that gives us that save icon in the middle. I'm going to turn that on off so that I can better show you the progress bar. The progress bar happens at the top. It's a little green bar that shows that something is processing and progressing. All right. So I've set that up. That's all you need to do. And of course, you need to make sure that you map the on-click action for your button. Or of course, you can have this document be downloaded at any point during your user's interface. If you want it to download at a certain time, like when a certain page loads or whenever something is done pushing the Salesforce, whatever you'd like, you can make these actions happen at any point. So you'll just have to turn on document generation for a system action whenever you want this download to take place. Choose web, and then you can choose random service agreement, and then the action will be download. And you only see that download action if you enabled it under the tools like we just did. So now we can click apply, 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 save, and let's preview this. So on this screen, we're just making a contact. I meant to say Gary. Okay. Cool. And then I'm going to submit. And this is where it takes me to my second page where I download this document. And then there is that progress bar being generated. And we have our PDF document. There you go. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using one of those two options whenever you have a document that's being downloaded in your Titan Web project. This will just allow or prevent your users from clicking this button like a billion times while they're thinking that the button's not working. All right. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helped.